Okay, so this is the second question that I get asked pretty frequently during therapy, and actually, a lot of it is prompted by me. So, one of the first questions that I ask parents when they call and they inquire about services is, have you contacted your school district? Because if you have a child who's school age, they have access to services at the school. Similarly, if you have a child who is between the ages of birth to 3, they have access to the early intervention program that's funded through the state. Now, there is an eligibility criteria for that. So just because you want it doesn't mean you're going to get it. There's a process for that, but you should call the school or call your local early intervention office to inquire about potential services. Now, a lot of times what happens is a child goes through the process and they're deemed not eligible. So parents call. Perhaps a child is getting services, but they're looking for additional private services on the side. Or often that process can take a while. And so a parent says, you know what? While we're waiting on that, we're going to go ahead and get the process started for therapy. So those might be a couple of reasons why a private practitioner would come into play, but it's really important for me to let parents know that they have access to the district and to early intervention. So I always point parents in that direction. I encourage you to do the same.